multi-grain waffles, frozen, yeah. We're gonna find out. Frozen. Can you eat it? No? Maybe? Yes? I don't know. We'll
see.
Find out also in increments until you can eat it.
Yeah!
Level 1, frozen. Yeah,
You can actually eat it. Okay, here, let me try.
Okay.
Oh, so gross. This is disgusting. It tastes like these waffles have been in the fridge for a little too long, or the freezer.
Yeah. These are not good waffles.
It's disgusting. It'll be better when we heat it up. Let's try.
Okay.
Here.
Oh shoot! It was not recording, and now it is.
No. No.
Is it recording?
I don't know.
I think it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
I don't think it was recording earlier.
Sure it was. I'll show you all of the footage.
Okay.
It's gross. This is terrible.
Yeah.
My review of this particular waffle is 0, -3. It's been in the freezer too long.
It's not good at all. It is in no way delicious.
Tastes like dump. Tastes like old freezer.
You lose. Oh. So gross.
Got it. All right. Video. What is the conclusion? You want me to film you?
Don't do it. It's a bad idea.
Don't eat that waffle we just ate.
Don't eat this waffle. Don't.
They're normally good. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, but this is old and freezery, and
Don't eat old waffles.
don't eat old waffles. Never eat soggy waffles either.
Okay, bye.
There's a podcast video.
There's a video. There's an episode.